Hi guys. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel where I am going to be showing you guys how to make some of the stitches or techniques that I used for my amigurumi patterns. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to make the magic ring. I use the magic ring a lot, and I know that it's not the easiest stitch for a lot of people, but I feel like I use a slightly different technique than what I normally see, and I wanted to share it to see if maybe this version is easier and it helps you guys make your amigurumis just a little bit faster or easier. So the way that I learned how to do the magic ring was to take your loose end, take your yarn, and the end portion, take that piece and loop it under the active yarn. So you're going to end up having it looped under. So under. And then once you have it under the active yarn, you're going to pinch it in place. So again, you take the end of your yarn and you loop it under the active yarn, and then use your hands to hold it in place. Well, while you're holding it in place, you're going to take your other hand and you're going to form the tension on your yarn. So the way I like to do my tension is I wrap it twice around my pinky and then once around my pointer. This is just how I do it. It helps me keep a nice, tight, steady tension throughout my pieces. But so get your tension, and then once you have your tension set up on your yarn, you're going to switch over. So you're going to pass it along to the other hand, and now this hand is going to be holding the loop while keeping your tension. And then you're going to take your hook and you're going to begin to make the foundation of the magic ring. So take your hook, insert it into the loop, yarn over, pull it through, and now you're going to make chain 1, yarn over, and pull it through. And this is technically your magic ring. At this point is when you can start working your stitches into the magic ring. Most of my stitches call for single crochet stitches, so I'm going to show you 6 single crochet stitches that are worked into the magic ring. Now these 2 yarns, the one that's these crossed over here, you need to work your stitches over both of these yarns. If you do not work your stitches over both of these, this one and this one, you will not be able to close it correctly and it might come undone. So once you're at this step, I like to hold these in place just so they don't go anywhere and so that I know I'm working over both of them. And then you're going to take your hook and insert it back into the loop under those two pieces of yarn, and then yarn over, pull it through. And now you're going to have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over again and pull that one through both loops on your hook. And that is your first single crochet stitch worked into a magic ring. So I'm going to work 5 more. Go under, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. 2, 3, 4, and all the time I'm holding these 2 in place. 5 and 6. So once you have 6 single crochet stitches worked into the magic loop, it's going to look something like this. You notice this, the ending part of the yarn is under the loop. So now we have to close it. And because this piece of yarn is under the loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over and around so that it's on top. And this just makes pulling the loop closed a little bit easier. So with it over, you're gonna pinch it here to hold it in place and then pull. And it should come out fairly easily. Sometimes it's going to be a little bit harder depending on how tight your stitches were. But you should be able to pull this loose end and it should bring the magic ring to a close. And that would be your 6 single crochet stitches worked into a magic ring. Show you guys again. This time a little bit faster. Take your yarn at the beginning, loop it under the active yarn, pinch it in place. Grab your tension, switch hands, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through, then you're going to chain 1. You have made your magic loop, and now you're going to work your 6 single crochet stitches into the magic loop, ensuring that you are working over these 2 pieces of yarn. Insert, yarn over, pull through. That's your first single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you have your 6 single crochet stitches, or however many the pattern tells you to make, you're going to flip this loose end over. You're going to pull to bring the magic ring to a close. You have made your 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. I hope this video has helped you see either a slowed down version or a different version of creating the magic ring, and I hope that it is helpful in your journey to make amigurumi or other crochet patterns and designs. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you come back for the next one. See you later. Bye.